Hello everyone, today I'm working on this 164 Kyosho C6R, and it's got a little bit of damage on it. The mirrors got ripped off and the spoiler got ripped off, but this is a nice model, pretty valuable model, so I'm gonna work on that today. I wouldn't need to undo the rivets here and split the interior, except that there's something loose inside there, so I want to get in there and fix that. So this is what you get when you open it up. Now you got some really nice racing wheels, and you've got the interior. Now I was sure this interior it was going to be including the roll cage, but on these the roll cage is on the top. And there's my part that was loose. It was the steering wheel. So don't ask me how that happened, but anyways, I'll be gluing this back together. That is not even gonna be hard. And I think the dashboard just pops out like this. Let me just play around with it. There, so that just pops out like this. And it's got a decent amount of details. I'm pretty happy with this. Look at that, the roll cage is stuck to the roof. I've never seen that before. I was going to attempt to paint it, but not this time. It's gonna stay black. I've got some pictures of the original car, the real car, so you could see. It's a very dark graphite, so we're not losing much detail by leaving it black. So everything inside this car is black. I'm going to take a minute to paint the seat belt red. And then this fire extinguisher here, I'm going to paint that red. But other than that, it's a very dark interior. So it was worth doing that just to have a little fun. Now I also glued my steering wheel back. And I'm going to put my, my wing back on. So I already have pre-cut a little sliver of plastic, so I'm going to be using that to make the risers for the spoiler. I've got also this other car that I can use for the size of the spoiler, so I'm going to be using that as a guide. So I'll just cut it with my scissors to the correct length and width, and then I can make just the two ends. Those 164 scale guys really do scratch build everything. So I've got my two risers up, and now I'm gonna let this dry for a bit. So to my spoiler I added the two side parts. Now it's really starting to take shape, so I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it gloss black because I'm gonna put a decal on the top there. So my spoiler came back from the paint shop. Looks very good actually. I'm gonna put just a little decal over it. These are the decals I'm using at customhotwheels.com. So I'm just gonna pick out a nice decal from this sheet, and I'll go ahead and put it on. Now all that's left to do is to glue it in place. So before and after. So I'm pretty pleased with the way it looks. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.